ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯅꯤꯡꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ allegation ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯨꯟꯅ ꯄꯥꯔꯒ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯒ ꯐꯖꯅ legal advice ꯂꯧꯔꯒ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩ appeal ꯇꯧꯖꯒꯦ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯗ ꯄꯨꯔꯥ ꯀꯥꯏ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯆꯔꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯝꯆꯟꯗ꯭ꯔ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯁ ꯀꯣꯟꯐꯔꯦꯟꯁꯁꯦ ꯑꯁꯦꯡꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯉꯔꯥꯡ ꯇꯧꯖꯒꯦ ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯉꯔꯥꯡꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯥꯏꯔꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯥꯎꯠ ꯄꯔꯦꯗꯀꯤ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯁꯥꯝꯗ ꯆꯠꯂꯨꯕꯗꯨꯅ ꯈꯔ ꯊꯦꯡꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯇꯧꯖꯕꯅꯤ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯁ ꯀꯣꯟꯐꯔꯦꯟꯁꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯦꯟꯂꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯤꯁꯤ ꯍꯧꯈꯤꯕ तारीख 18 की लीडर ऑफ द ऑपोजिशन कांग्रेस की फॉर्मर चीफ मिनिस्टर श्री वो भी along with the MPCC president and other leaders of the Congress when press conference में हम हुआ ये तारीख 19 असी पुनिथोइदा खबरदा अमसुंग 19 की इवनिंग का electronic and print media da yamna fazana happy haitare masida haise mainly apni nasi clarification kar to ni introduction mani madani kari no haita masida mainly haise CLP leader Sibu bina haise the Indian constitution ki article 174 rule of procedure and conduct of business and article 174A Sina High State Assembly say at least 3 sessions Hungary high. And the good hungry law constitution violate the way and high. Madu Ahan going Madu High State Constitution Sida High State Article 174 the House or Houses of the Legislature of the state shall be summoned to meet twice, at least in every year, and 6 months shall not intervene between their last sitting in one session and the date appointed for their first sitting in the next session. I believe Constitution, I am saying now, with this legislature, so he mother, Anya, Soidana, Hunger the me, have said. I am saying the Constitution, Indian Constitution. Aduna, I will actually the House rule of procedure and conduct of business in Manipur Legislative Assembly. Masida Harisinama, subject to, as I have Article 174 of the Constitution of India, in every calendar year, the Assembly shall have not less than 3 sessions, namely budget, autumn and winter session. Adabu, subject to Article 174, I believe 174 the Anira Kamam Yai Mina Constitution override the web, any rule of procedures. One of the Constitution is overall authority. Constitution the Assembly form the river, Constitution the Parliament high Constitution precedence over the rules of procedure. Allegation the high city, Curry allegation to be Manipur State Congress now. Constitution violate the behind. Masi around Wapani had to me, they comes again. Constitution violate to Sunday yesterday. Adu, Amakati, I am Tanzania, Nasi press organized a plate of the day. And with the Sri Bogina, Chief Minister wearing up 2002, they can 16 go with you. Nothing in Malaysia, session Anidan Homase, Mamara Yauki. Namely, 2003, session Anika Pungi, 2007, session Anika Pungi, 2008, session Anika Pungi, 2009, session Anika Pungi, 2016, Anika Pungi. Aduna Anika Homase, Adu. Kangon to Ida, everybody. Sarkar fighting in the Congress, Sarkar fighting in the soup, Mama, come say, Adu, Pangide, have you in Tanzania. Aduma, Amana, Bharatiya Janata Party led Sarkar 2017, 2017, 18, 19 and 20 se masida aikoi 3 sessions per year to from here. Adu like the vibe tare COVID lago lagi hujit to dia semar marga 2 sessions constitution provision ke to na achadi constitution violate to leke I say sarkar side ki law department ke ko na do I am saying I thousand ni adu mena na I na hasin mo dia ko ki daiwa allegation to bibon tanda ko mun na paharda yenga Fajana legal advice to Toubiyu had I appeal to again. I do a venana piggy Laiba, Karigumba, Penosina, possible with our 3 sessions, Hamlava, Monagani, other constitution violate to give up. Sunday.